Intent classification in customer support is a controversial mess. Everyone knows keyword filters fail, but enterprise AI is too complex. Today, you'll learn how true deterministic intent analysis actually works and how it can revolutionize your response times. For years, support teams have struggled with a fundamental problem. Customers communicate in nuanced, natural language, but our systems are built on rigid keywords. At quarantadue.ai, every MCP workflow starts from the real tool interface, not from a generic prompt. The goal is simple. Keep the expert in control while the system structures the evidence. Inputs, reasoning, and outputs stay connected in one reviewable flow. Now the results become easier to compare, easier to review, and easier to explain. This leads to misrouted tickets, frustrated agents, and slow resolutions. Generic tools can't grasp context, and large NLP models are black boxes that can't be trusted for critical routing decisions. The real industry challenge is achieving consistency and speed without a massive integration project. Let's get technical. ClassifyIntent is not a neural network that guesses. It's based on pattern recognition and semantic analysis. Think of it as a sophisticated rule engine that understands language structures. The key concept is deterministic output. Given the same input, it will always produce the same intent classification. This is different from statistical models that might change. You need to understand patterns like word order, entity recognition, and sentiment cues. A common misconception is that this requires internet-scale data. It doesn't. It works locally by analyzing the utterances you provide. Now, what does the software actually do? ClassifyIntent ingests text from tickets, chats, or emails. It establishes a baseline of known intent patterns for your business. Then, it performs a semantic analysis, comparing the new utterance against these patterns. It calculates the best match and outputs a clear intent label, like billing question or technical bug. Every classification has a full audit trail for compliance. You can also model scenarios, testing how new message types would be categorized before they hit your live system. Let me walk you through a hypothetical example. Imagine a customer writes, "My app keeps crashing when I upload a large file, and I need this fixed for a client demo tomorrow." ClassifyIntent analyzes this. It recognizes the technical issue pattern from crash and upload. It detects the urgency variable from tomorrow and client demo. It would classify this as a high-priority technical support request. The measurable outcome is that this ticket gets routed immediately to a senior tech agent with the right skills, bypassing a general queue. Response time drops from hours to minutes. For compliance and reporting, ClassifyIntent generates clear reports. These show intent distribution, routing accuracy, and resolution trends. The reports are designed for stakeholder readability using plain language charts. They align with regulatory needs by documenting the decision logic for every ticket, proving consistent and unbiased handling. To summarize, ClassifyIntent gives you fast, accurate, and auditable intent classification. It eliminates manual sorting, ensures customers reach the right help instantly, and provides the data to continuously improve your support.